The Lake Superior Community Health Center in West Duluth is one of the only places around that won't turn patients away, even if they can't afford dental, mental, or other health services offered by the facility.
Well, as Northern News Now's Ryan Hayes reports, their CEO says they've outgrown their building and need funding for a new one.
Lake Superior Community Health Center provides everything from psychiatry to dental for anyone who needs it, especially those facing financial barriers.
The goal of a community health center like us is to provide universal access to comprehensive care.
City Councilor Janet Kennedy says the services the center provides are vital for the West Duluth community.
I know Lake Superior Community Health Center needs a larger space. They've outgrown their space. And we are very aware that the Western community has lost up to 7 community centers.
The health center currently takes care of over 11,000 patients, but CEO Lee Holman says they've outgrown this building and wants to move their services from here to here near Memorial Park across from Laura MacArthur Elementary.
Folks are traveling a long way to access some of the services we provide. And honestly, the demand for our services outpaces our ability to provide them in this current space.
He says having more space would allow them to become a one-stop shop for community and health services, something that excites Kennedy as well.
We'll have services right on site, and then we can draw in people from across our region in St. Louis County, which will be exciting.
She says this project can put an end to issues like long wait times and lack of space.
We need to do better, and this project will do that.
In Duluth, Ryan Hayes, Northern News Now.
Ryan, thank you. Now, the health center's CEO, Lee Holman, will be in St. Paul tomorrow, lobbying for $250,000 in funding from the state to help fund the planning of a new building.
Duluth's next